What's going on, you guys? It's been kind of a hectic morning this morning. We couldn't find Josh's GoPro clip, so I am the only one with a GoPro today, which will be different.
I think it'll be a nice change of perspective for you guys. So as Haley's shopping, you'll get to see her stuff from a POV perspective, and I'll just keep running back and forth showing you guys what I found.
Yeah, there you go. So we are at our Goodwill duplex where we can pay by the pound. So there's a huge line. So let's get in there, see what we can find. I don't really know what this is. It's like a Ellington, but it's like a cool like leather fanny pack. The Ritz-Carlton hats. A little dirty, but should clean up. Tour top, made in USA. Kansas Jayhawks, also made in USA. AF, Abercrombie & Fitch, made in Taiwan. Ooh, Titleist Pro V1 FootJoy with the Titleist thing on the back. Nice. South Carolina 47 brand. Made in USA.
What you got in your pot again?
Did you really? Oh my goodness! I'm just getting a bunch of like vintage hats over here.
Oh yeah, these are
Made in USA insulate. That's cool. Just found a pair of these Jack Rogers boots. These are in pretty good condition. I think I can get maybe like 20-25 bucks for those. Religion bag. This is pretty gross though, but it might come out with OxyClean. I'm putting it in like a bath of hot water. OxyClean powder. What is it?
Hufflepuff.
Oh, that is so cool.
It's got some holes though.
Aww.
Sorry. I mean, you might can still get. There's just a lot of. It's not. It feels kind of low quality. It feels like something you get at the gas station, and there's poles everywhere. I'd probably pass.
What have you got?
So I'm going to show you guys some stuff I picked up. I always get these cool big scarf things. This is from Charlotte Russe. It's probably not worth much, but it's probably like $1 here, giveaway and whatnot. I got this Champion fanny pack, which is kind of cool. And I also found right next to it a bunch of Scrabble tile letters, and these actually sell on eBay. Not for a ton of money, but they sell pretty often. I got this little wallet from Sacru. It's got a bunch of hats. I got old Starbucks mug, and pretty much everything in the bottom is plush. We got an old Sugar Bear. I think this is from like some cereal that they don't make anymore. That's pretty cool. We got a Bruce from Finding Nemo puppet on a Disney tag. Bruce.
That's cool.
So a bunch of plush down there. Of course, Pikachu. We find Pikachu's like every time we come to the bins. So mostly plush, a couple hats, nothing major, but it's been a good day.
Just picked up this Masters hat. The bill is a little squished.
Still get it, fix it.
Yeah.
I just found this Raiders hat. It's not the script one that's worth like hundreds of dollars.
Yeah.
It is a starter. Yeah. And it is
it's
old.
Very dirty,
it's
but
made in Korea.
Cool.
Very old, very dirty. But it's definitely worth trying to clean up. We could probably get like 30 bucks for it, depending on how clean it comes.
Spirit Force. My sister and I used to love this movie and the soundtrack. We listen to it all the time. I think I'm ready. I mean, I have a bag full of stuff. Nothing like too crazy or anything. Mostly hats, but I think I'm ready. Whenever you are.
Also found another hat. And oh, I found this hat. This is really cool. I think this is
that what's it?
Figment?
Yes, Figment
hat. And I was like, oh, it looks kind of old. And then it is old. It's made in USA, Epcot, 1982.
Wow.
Really dirty.
Awesome.
Really dirty, but pretty cool. Haley's got regular stuff as well.
Regular stuff, bag of plush.
1990, okay. Year I was born.
Of course, we since we're at the duplex, we have to go next door, right?
Yeah, you can't come to the duplex and not go to the other dupe.
Oh my gosh, check out this cool color block jacket. I honestly might keep this for myself. That is so cool. So this is not like a cool brand or anything. It just says Superman DC Comics. But we could probably throw this up on Whatnot. It's got a snap down, cool embroidery. Somebody donated all of their National Guard jackets. Have you found anything?
Yes, I have found numerous things. I got Sir Brooks Adrenaline 21 missing insoles, and there's like a little chunk missing out of there. But good condition other than that, and that's not going to affect the performance. So we could probably get like maybe 15, 20 bucks for them or whatnot. I got a pair of Skechers like walking sandals. These are in great shape, $6.50 on those. Got a pair of Hoka's.
Nice.
Hoka Conquest 2.
Those are cool.
The uppers are in good shape. The bottoms are a little bald right along there. And then there's a little bit of a wear on the inside heel. But Hoka's are like the one shoe that even in bad condition, we still buy them. Because even like this, they're usually still probably worth about 25 bucks or so plus shipping. So go ahead and grab those. Got another pair of Toms. I know Haley doesn't like Toms. She tells me not to buy them, but these are cute. I think these are good. $6.50. We'll try them out. And then another pair of Pumas, little classic Puma suedes.
Just found this pair of True Religion jeans. These are an awesome brand to look out for because they sell so fast. Definitely doesn't have like the best style in the world just because they're low rise, but I'm still gonna pick these up. Anything else?
I just pulled this off the rack. It's a little Woolrich made in USA, like women's pullover type thing. So that's kind of cool. That'll be $5.75. Got some Timberland boots. They're in good shape, used, but very like soft and supple leather. Good size. I think these are a men's size 10, so those should sell fast. And I also found another pair of John Varvatos boots. They're this part right here is coming off, but these are probably like $75 boots in this condition. So I'm gonna get some shoe goo or something to secure that down. These are a men's size 12. You know, obviously some wear to the bottom, but a little suede leather action. These are very classic. Should be pretty easy to sell once we get them fixed up. That part's coming on the outside. But again, that's easy fix. It doesn't even touch the ground most of the time. So just getting some shoe goo, holding that in place should take care of it. John Varvatos, and I can only tell it like right here. Like there's no other label in the shoe anywhere. So definitely go look out for that brand.
Hey Mouse, we're back. How do you feel? Oh, okay.
Feels good. I should probably go to the dump. All this is just garbage. That's
Lots
garbage.
of garbage.
All that's garbage.
Yes.
Ugh.
Lots of garbage.
Only Mo's could drive.
We just got back from the P.O. box where we have picked up all of these packages, and there's still
these in the car, and
there's still like five of the
five of
at
the big
the
boxes
post
at the
office.
post office that we could not fit in the car. I just told them to come back tomorrow.
Josh has a buying problem on Whatnot. He bought a lot of Squishmallows, right? Squishmallows and Funkos.
Yeah, it was a big wholesale purchase from a viewer of the YouTube channel that was selling on Whatnot. I reached out on Instagram. I was like, hey, if anybody wants to sell a big lot of stuff on Whatnot, let me know. We had a bunch of Whatnot credits built up. So we got, I think it's like 12 of these boxes. Half of them are Squishmallows and half of them are Funko Pops. So it's a lot of inventory. And both Squishmallows and Funko Pops sell really well on Whatnot. So we're excited to open them up and see what I got.
We also, of course, had to stop at our local Pet Supplies Plus and get Mose a little treat. Mose, they had their Halloween treats out, so he gets a little bat. No, you know your manners. Turn around. Turn around. Good boy. Okay, sit. Wait. Wait. Get it. Good boy. There he goes.
All right, folks, so this is one of the boxes we got from our P.O. box, and this actually came from my friend Drew, also known as Profit Monsters. I bought a big, like, wholesale box from him as a little bonus for FlipCon. We paid the FlipCon speakers a little bit in cash, and then at the end of the event, I realized we had a little bit of money left over that we weren't planning on. So I was like, hey, Drew, and I also had Whatnot credit backed up. So like, hey, if you put a little wholesale box on Whatnot, I'll buy it. I think I spent like $1,000 or so. Maybe it's 800, something like that. I was like, just send me a box of stuff. I want you to make a good amount of profit because I want it. This is like a bonus for Whatnot. And he sent me this box, and I'm curious to see what he sent us. Again, I don't remember exactly what I paid for it, but it's not really about the total value because again, I was really paying in the bonus here for Whatnot. But I'm still curious to see what kind of stuff he sent. Oh, look at here, right on top. Right on top. Look at that little Polo Bear Ralph Lauren sweater. That's freaking awesome. We got the Hawk. I don't know if this is made in USA or not.
Alan Jackson.
Alan Jackson t-shirt. That's pretty crazy. We got Super Bowl Champs shirt. What year is it? Starter. This is vintage. So we got another vintage something here. It's a cow on the back. A Wrangler.
Fears.
Face Your Fears and a bull on the back. This is a little Elvis shirt. Drew,
wow.
Drew really packed it in here. It's double stitched. Oh, we got the Winnie the Pooh. Shout out, Winnie. Woo, woo. We got a Metallica, but it's Beavis and Butthead. No, it's not. I thought that I thought that was Beavis and It's just Metallica. Metallica back, giant tag, made in USA, double stitch. That's cool. I just, for some reason, I saw the hair, and I just thought, it was Beavis and Butthead. What is this? We got Haynes. Like this. Oh, it's that guy from that show.
That guy
Star
from that
Command,
show.
Star Trek. What is this? Oh, Drew. He gave me the animal cracker shirt.
Whoa.
That's crazy.
So cool.
That is crazy. Drew, you're too nice. A couple stains on the back, but this is a sick shirt, man.
Yeah.
We got a big Tweety bird. Oh my gosh. Drew, are you making money? I told you specifically to make sure you made a lot of money on this box. Okay.
Jungle to Jungle
Jungle
Disney.
to Jungle Disney. That's awesome.
Really
That's one
cool.
of my. Have you seen that movie?
No.
With Tim Allen? That's a good movie. You should watch it. Another Nickelodeon vintage
1994.
shirt. Wild Crazy Kids, 1994. That's wild and crazy.
It keeps going.
Keeps going, folks. What is this? I don't know what that is. Austin Shirt Company, USA. Okay. Wow, look at this.
Wow.
Rolling Stones t-shirt on it's a modern liquid blue tag. Size extra large, made in Honduras. 2002. Technically vintage.
Technically vintage,
Technically
yes.
vintage. That's dope, man. Look at the Bulls. We got a Bulls shirt in here. Oh my
Whoa.
gosh. Drew, what are you doing, man? Look at this. Harley? No, not Harley, just Eagle. Eagle. And then, oh my gosh. Liquid blue Yoda.
Whoa.
Tie-dye. That's an old one. Made in USA, size extra large.
I want to wear that.
That's crazy. Dated 1997 on this one.
Wow.
Crazy box, you guys. Be sure to go follow Profit Monsters on both YouTube and Instagram and Whatnot. He sells all this stuff like this on Whatnot all the time, so definitely go check him out there. Drew, thanks for the box. So it's a couple days later. I wanted to give you guys a little synopsis of our Goodwill bins finds, but we've already started unloading them and organizing them on some new shelves that we got in the warehouse. So it's hard to like figure out where everything is at the moment. Looking back, I mean, most of it was hats and plush, which always sell well for us. Got a couple shoes here and there, but it was nothing like crazy. Like there were no super big home run finds. And whenever we tell people that we're resellers and they aren't resellers, they'll watch a couple of our videos and they're like, how do you find like all this good stuff at Goodwill all the time, like these crazy good finds? And they don't realize that most of the time when we go to Goodwill, it's stuff like this, like hats and plush and shoes that we could sell for 20 or 30 bucks. Like the idea that you have to find, you know, $200 or $500 or $1,000 profit items to have a successful reselling business is a farcical. Is that a word? I think that's a word. Days like today where you can go and find good, solid bread and butter items, get them cleaned up and get them sold quickly, I think is the key to having a successful reselling business. Whether you want to do it on Whatnot, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, wherever you want to sell, as long as you can find items that you know based on comps and experience selling in the market that they will sell quickly for you, I think that is the key to having a successful reselling business. Knowing what your customers want, being able to find it for the right price, and being able to put the work and time into it to get it flipped and sold for a profit quickly. In conclusion, I'd like to share with you guys this game. I already talked about it on Instagram yesterday, but just in case you don't follow me on Instagram, I did not invent this game. I think it's called like Tiki Toss or whatever, but it's just some string and some slight hardware. There's a little keychain piece here with some string going to the ceiling, and then on the wall over here is a little open eye hook, and the whole point is to like stand here roughly, I don't know, 6 feet away from the wall and pendulum swing and try to get the hook to land, or get the ring to land on the hook. Oh, I hit it that time. I'll try to get this done in today's video, but it's a lot harder than it thinks. So as I try for a few seconds, I'm gonna put this video on the screen over here. It's a private garage sale pick that we did about 2.5 years ago. I think the video, last I checked, only has like 7,000 views. But in terms of like the stuff we found and the potential profit from that haul, it's absolutely insane. So if you have not seen that video yet, definitely check it out. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and we will catch you on the next one.